welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make Mapo tofu. Make so easy, but I had many different kind seasoning mixed together, then make it. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay. Okay. This is pork ground meat. Garlic sprouts and tofu. This is kind of like a little bit soft texture. Tofu has like two different kind texture. One of like hard type, and then another one is a soft type. This one is kind of like a middle texture of chewing, but this one is soft. Okay, and then this is a seasoning. This one is chicken soup powder and hoajao spice. This is tobanjang. This is kenmenjang. We will use oyster sauce. My favorite white soy sauce, shirodashi, mirin, and a little bit shokoshu. This one is garlic and ginger and chopped long leek. So let's start cooking. Okay. Garlic and ginger and long leek. Chop. This high flame. This is the hoajao, tobanjang, kenmenjang. I think you can get some Chinese food grocery shop. shirodashi, mirin, oyster sauce, chili oil, done. So we have to keep it hot. For the winter time, this is so cold. Boiling like this. Keep warming. This is a very important serving in winter. Okay, this is today's special. My original Mapo tofu. Served with garlic sprouts. A little bit spicy one. So I got a special guest today. Hi. So he's gonna try to eat my Mapo tofu. Okay? Yeah. Mapo tofu, yeah. Served with
spicy
steamed
flavor.
rice. So, yeah, looks nice. Okay.
そう
Please eat.
いただきます。
はい、どうぞ。
いやね